Hello friend, in this video I go to show how to commit an image in Docker and create your custom image. Example, if you have Helm, Terraform, any like apps you using every single day, you don't want to install in your computer, but you want to have a Docker image, so you can install this one time and all the time when you need, you just call this image and they go to have every app you have before and you don't need to install every single time you need. So this video is all the video I have, but I think the audio is not good at all. I received some comments for some subscribers. They don't like the audio. If you have any questions, any comments, or any topics you guys want a video about, please put a comment so I go to try to make that in the next time. Let's stop talking and let's go to the board to understand how this works. You can see my board. In the board, I have my Docker container. You go to create one container with Ubuntu. That you go to install htop and wget, but you can install Terraform, Helm, kubectl, any app you use every single day, and you don't want to install in your machine, but you want to have an image, so you can use it for that. You can use in your pipelines. If you don't want to install every single time you need to run a Docker image, the same apps. So let's create a custom image for us, and you go to create this custom image with htop, wget, and after that you go to commit this image and let you go to create another container, and this new container have our chains, and all the time when you need to use these tools, you just need to run the Docker container with your image, with your chains, and you don't need to install anything again. So let's go to the terminal to see how this works. The requirement to do this demo, you need to have Docker up and running in your computer. I have videos how to install Docker in Windows, Ubuntu, and Mac. If you don't have that, please check in my list. I have these videos, and that's a requirement to do this demo. After you have the Docker up and running in your computer, you need to go to the terminal and clone my GitHub repository. So go to clone here. After that, cd YouTube and the folder 18. In the folder 18, I have my make file. So you have all the commands for this demo. First thing, make and tab, so you can see all the commands. The first command you go to use is create a container. So you go to create a container with the image for Ubuntu. So create container. So make create container, enter. They go to run Docker run with the options for interaction and disattach. So you don't have attached in the terminal for now. And the name will be Ubuntu. And you go to use Ubuntu, the latest image. You have the Docker running right now. So if you use make again, and you want to go inside the container, so you could use enter container, enter. So there you go to, you run doc exec -it Ubuntu e bash. So you go to exec, doc exec, go inside this Docker container, these ones you just create. You go to interact, that the name of the container is Ubuntu, and you go choose a bash for our terminal. So if I go to here, try htop and wget, you don't have. So let's go exit here. Let's back to our make file. So make, tab again, install tools. They go to run the same command you have before, but now they go to update and install wget and install htop. So if you go back in here and make enter container, so you inside the container. Now if you try htop, you have htop running. Ctrl C, so exit. And if you want to check if the wget works, so make, tab again, and try to find download file. That's the command you go to use. So you go to use the same command you have before, doc exec, and right now you go to use the wget to download the content you have for the Google page. So if you will try to check if you have the file with all the information you have for the Google page, you try make again, go back, try view file, and we have the file with all the information for Google inside the container. So That's the two changes you have. You have wget, we have the htop, and you have this index with all information we have for the Google website. So let's go back to make. And now you need to commit this imaging for the container is running right now. So commit image. So this command is so simple. They go to docker commit Ubuntu, because Ubuntu is the name the container is running. So they create an imaging for the Ubuntu container that have all our tools. So if you back to the make again, tab, and let's see tag image. So in the tag image, we have this new image in here. You just create right now, and you need this tag in here. So you go to copy this tag back to the make file. So make back in here, tag image. But now you go to put menus. So you go to paste the container image ID. So you go to create a new image with our tag. And right now, if you try make tag image using make tag image, enter. Now we have a new image. So that will be Ubuntu with the tag Thiago. So I create a new tag with the Ubuntu latest with all my changes. And the name of the image will be Ubuntu Thiago. Let's clean up the old image you have. So make clean. So let's clean everything. So they delete the container. So let's clean again. So make, let's tab. And what you want to do now? Run the customer container. So now look at that. Docker run interaction disattach for the terminal. The name will continue to be Ubuntu, but now I use my image, Ubuntu colon Thiago. So if I go in here now, make again, enter in the container, and we use htop. You have htop because we have htop for that. If you try wget, you have wget ls minus lh. You go to have our index with the image for the Google. So if you go cat index, you go to see the content you have for Google image that's you download with the wget. So if you go exit, I go out for my container. So now I have my image, and my image have all my chains. That's it. That's the easy way how to create custom imaging with Docker. If you have any question, submit a comment in this video. If you have any another subjects you wanted to know, please put in the comments, like this video, subscribe my channel, and I see you guys in the next one.